Hello friends, it's Jana.eubank back with another scrapbooking process video. Today I am working with the Hip Kit Club January 2026 kits, which is this fun, vibrant collection called Let's Get Real. Now today I want to talk a little bit about how to start off with a brand new kit. And there's lots of ways to start off with a kit, but mostly when I start a scrapbook page, I just like to go for the feel. I always start with the pattern papers and I hold up my photos, and when I have color photos, I'm usually looking for colors that are complementing my photos. Now today, I'm working with black and white photos, which are very generic as far as color goes. And so when I am looking through these papers today, I'm going for the feeling that I want to accomplish with this layout. Now these are some photos of my daughters and I during COVID. They were just being silly, giggling and laughing on their bed, taking selfies together. And I was walking by their room and they're like, "Mom, come in here, come hang out with us, come take some pictures." So we just ended up spending some time giggling and laughing. And I love these pictures because COVID was a really difficult time. You know, the kids were stuck at home. They weren't seeing their friends. It was odd. So many odd things about the pandemic. And so these are the little bright spots that, the silver linings that happened where you're having your family home all together and you're making memories just being silly and goofy and laughing at silly things while taking pictures, lying on the pillow together. So anyway, that's what I was going for with these photos, is just a fun, frivolous feel and especially a girly feel. So I went with the purple cardstock for the background. I matted my photos on that pink brushstroke paper. And then the main section of this layout, I wanted to have a really fun floral pattern. Originally, I had picked out the yellow floral pattern that you saw at the very beginning of the video. And then I ultimately switched over to this cream floral that has all the bright, colorful florals across it, and it worked perfectly. So next up, I've decided where I want this column of photos to go, and I've double matted it on some bright cardstock so that it pops from the purple background. And now I'm trying to find some pieces to go on this page. Now, there are so many fun phrases in this kit, and I especially love the ones that are like, "Stay weird," and "Thanks for being weird with me," because this, we're silly and goofy as a family. And so I love how these go with these silly photos that we took. Now, I found this little "Stay Weird" chipboard oval that I'm going to place on the right side of my photos, and I'm looking for some elements to go on the left. Now, because I have that bold floral pattern paper, I want to kind of create an anchoring spot for my other elements so that they will stand out from that bold floral paper. And I'm doing this by layering together some tags and journaling pieces from the journaling die cuts. I had this thought to place this cute rainbow at the top of this page because it's colorful, it's cute, it's super girly. It's like, it kind of reminds me of, finding the bright spot in things, right? You never have a rainbow without a little bit of rain and a little bit of sun. And so this definitely goes with the feeling of the pandemic. Now, the trick with that little rainbow is that scale wise, it was getting lost. It was just a bit too small. And I remembered that in the 6x8 papers, there was this puzzle ring. Now, it's a smaller version of the 12x12 paper. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to fussy cut that out. And in place of that rainbow, I'm going to place this larger element here and anchor everything else. Now, while I was in the Pocket Life kit, I also found that adorable black and purple and blue 3x4 card that I'm layering up along with those tags and journaling pieces to anchor my journaling and other elements. I also selected the 2 speech bubbles from the Icon cardstock die cuts, and the first one says, "Thanks for being weird with me," which totally matches our photos. And then eventually I'll bring in this other one that says "whatever," and I'm just going to layer them here, and those will serve as my title at the top of the page. Now, the floral paper was peeking through the center of that puzzle circle, and it was kind of distracting me a little bit. So I decided to go back to the 3x4 cards, and I found this very simple grid paper or grid card that I'm going to back the center of that hole with, just so that the title stands out a little bit more and there's not a lot of, different colors and shapes competing with each other up there. It just calms it down a little bit. I'm going to continue to place these pieces. I placed this cute teal. It's all in the details ticket die cut down on the lower left. And then I'm just looking for some other elements. I love the butterflies. Butterflies are so cute, especially on girly pages, actually on any kind of page. And so I thought it would be especially nice here. I found this Viewmaster camera that I'm going to place underneath the top edge of the Stay Weird chipboard oval, and then I brought in another camera down here at the bottom because we are taking selfies. Now I loved that black punch of color with that camera at the bottom of the page, and then I had the darker black butterfly towards the top. So I'm thinking, okay, I need a third spot of black in here just to balance things out. So I'm trying out the typewriter, and I eventually decided to go with the globe, and I decided to place that on the lower left corner of that 3x4 card. Now behind the 3x4 card, I had that yellow tag peeking out, and I decided to tie some black twine on the top of that tag. And I just like the way that the black elements kind of jig-jag or zigzag down the page and keep your eye moving through that area. Even though it's quite busy, has a lot of patterns and has a lot of color, but because there's those punches of black, it helps your eye to settle and take in each thing one at a time. Now I'm coming in with some finishing details. I always go to the Puffy stickers first, and because I had 2 butterflies at the top of the page, I wanted to add a third one for a visual triangle. So I placed that pink and orange one over on the Stay Weird oval on the right edge of the page. And then I tried out putting a few of those little sequin scattering bits. I often go to little scattering bits to, just add kind of a cascading feel, but it just didn't feel right with this page, so I pulled those back off, probably because I have a lot of color going on. So I decided just to add this simple orange chipboard heart to the right edge of that speech bubble, and then I also added in some black stamping with the 6x8 Pocket Life stamp. So I put a phrase on the playing card that says, "Find joy in life's messy moments," which is definitely the pandemic. And then the other phrase is, "It's not so bad." So that finished that off. I then grabbed some clear gems from my stash and just kind of sprinkled them throughout to add a little bit of subtle shine, and that will finish off the page. I'll come back and add some journaling to that playing card with my computer, and that will be it. Again, this is the Hip Kit Club kits from January 2026, the Let's Get Real collection. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you again soon.